Hello, welcome to Akidz on practice. Today on our science experiment, we're going to repeat the lava lamp. To have water in a glass cup, have vinegar, pour your vinegar inside a glass cup, add your cooking oil. Last time when we did this, many people wanted me to explain how it was done, so that's why I'm repeating it today. Add a few drops of food colorant. Then add your baking soda. Someone asked me if this lava lamp glows. The lava lamp will only glow if you add a glow stick. So I want to give it a try with a party glow stick that I have in the house. But because it's not the actual glow stick that would give you the illumination you want, wasn't so obvious, and also my camera was not good for night scene, so you won't notice the lava moving up or the drops moving up and down. You won't notice much. Now we're going to add our glow stick. Try it at home. Let me know how it works out for you. Okay, this is, you will just see my glow stick wasn't so obvious. So try it. Let me know what you got on the comment section, okay?
For a volcano eruption, we'll need syringe, spoon, volcano model, warm water, baking soda, color, and soap. Let's begin. Pour warm water into the volcano until it's half of the way up. Add several drops of red coloring and 2 squirts of liquid soap. Add 3 spoons of bicarbonate soda. And with your syringe, take 20 ml of vinegar. For our ingredients, we have color, warm water, slime activator liquid, glue, spatula, and liquid dropper. Fill the liquid dropper with 3 milliliters of water 3 times. Pour 3 drops of liquid color to give your slime some pop of color. Fill the liquid dropper with 1.4 milliliters of activator.